Watch this video completely if you're planning to buy OnePlus Nord CE4 because in this video I'll tell you about 3 serious display problems that some users are facing on OnePlus Nord CE4 after installing a new update. The display problems that I'm going to talk about in this video are happening because of both hardware as well as because of software issues. And in this video, I'll try to talk about the reasons why these problems are happening and what are the possible solutions, if any, for these issues. The first problem that I'm going to talk about is a line flicker issue that many people are facing on OnePlus Nord CE4. As you can see, there is a line-like formation whenever the screen is changed. As per my observation, this could happen because of any problem with the ribbon connector of the display that connects the display to the motherboard. So the best solution is going to service center and asking them to check the phone and see whether there is any connection problem between the display and the motherboard. The second problem that many people are facing on OnePlus Nord CE4 is this flickering on the top or at the bottom of the phone whenever you're using it for watching YouTube videos or Instagram videos. This is purely a software problem, and the solution that you can try is factory resetting in the entire phone. The third display issue that I'm going to talk about is the green display of death. This usually happens when the display is damaged because of overheating or because of moisture or water damage. The only solution for this issue is going to the service center and getting a display replacement. It seems like the quality of OnePlus phones is degrading day by day. A good example is how many of the old OnePlus phones are having motherboard problems after installing new software update. So even if you are interested in buying OnePlus Nord CE4 because of its Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor and its good battery backup, I recommend you not to install any software updates on this phone because it could cause software as well as hardware issues on the phone. If you want to add something more to what I have said, please mention them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.